All right, so part of the routine is gonna be removing the mattress, which is not the easiest because my wife wanted a different bed in here. So we got this nice Casper mattress, very nice. I mean, thing is thick, and what's beautiful about it, it absorbs all the road bumps, and anybody been to Indiana know what I'm talking about. So as a team driver, and I'm speaking to the team drivers because, again, remember, he who feels it knows it. And a team driver would know what I'm talking about when it comes to this. So the problem we've got is the regular mattress that you get for a truck is very bumpy. It's very rough during sleeping. So this mattress, as you guys can see, it's pretty thick, you know. I mean, that's got to be what, like 6 inches? We're a size 12. Okay, so that's at least 12 inches. I want to say it's about 12 inches high, maybe 13. You know, that thing is all cushion. No spring, no metal in it. So I've got to change my filter. I had these custom made, so I'm gonna have to get some more. I only got 6 just to try it out. You know, Dave, Big Truck Life, I don't know what kind of AC they put in yours, but if it's anything like mine, yeah, that foam that you gotta cut all the time, this one here just pops right in, literally snug. I gotta change that. So I gotta turn the power off to the water heater so I can turn the AC on, because it's gonna be hot in here. We're in the South, people. So as usual, I'll keep you posted. I'll be back. That's what time it is.